Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to add tokens to Sui Wallet. For this, I will show you how to easily add tokens to two popular wallets that support the Sui blockchain, which is Slush Wallet and OKX Wallet. Let's dive in. First, let's start with Slush Wallet. Open the Slush Wallet extension or mobile app. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the right network, in this case Sui. Now, go to Dashboard. This is your home screen showing your balances. Look for the Pin Token option. You won't see an Assets tab, instead, you'll see an option called Pin Token. Click on the Pin Token option, a search bar or list will appear. Search for the token you want to add, or you can manually input the token address. Click Pin next to the token. Now it will appear on your main wallet screen for easy access. Now let's move on to OKX Wallet. Open the OKX Wallet extension or mobile app. Make sure your wallet is connected. Now, once you're in the dashboard, here you can see the Manage Crypto option from where we will add tokens. Click on the Manage Crypto button. Now here you can search for the token you want, or you can add it manually. Toggle the switch to enable the token. Once added, the token will now show up in your wallet's overview, and you're done. Your token is now added to OKX Wallet. You can use this method for every wallet that supports Sui blockchain. That's how you can easily add Sui-based tokens to wallet, whether you're holding Sui stable coins or custom project token. This wallet make it simple to manage your assets. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.